In the heart of Africa's savanna, hunger drives the wild dogs to desperate measures, their lean bodies reflecting weeks of scarce food. A solitary warthog unknowingly stumbles into their territory, a lifeline for the starving pack. The pack surrounds it, cutting off every sea of hunger and instinct. The savanna witnesses another grim tale of survival. Victory for the wild dogs. From afar, the hyenas catch the scent of blood, their sharp noses guiding them toward the wild dog's kill. Their eyes gleam with greed as they inch closer, waiting for the perfect opportunity to strike. The hyenas rush in, cackling and snarling, their opportunistic instincts driving them into battle. The wild dogs retaliate fiercely, using their superior numbers to surround the hyenas and counterattack. Teeth clash and claws swipe as the fight becomes a brutal display of survival and raw instinct. The hyenas falter under the coordinated assault, retreating in desperation to escape the encircling pack. The wild dogs overwhelm with numbers, flanking their opponents with terrifying coordination and speed. One by one, the hyenas are overwhelmed, their disorganized retreat revealing their growing despair. The war between wild dogs and hyenas will never end. And so the war continues, an unending cycle of hatred, survival, and revenge that defines these fateful rivals.